This factory produces over 1 million instant noodles every single day.
Instant noodles are one of the most consumed foods on the planet.
They are cheap, fast, and found in almost every country.
But very few people know how they are actually made.
Let's take a closer look inside an instant noodle factory.
The process starts with basic ingredients like wheat flour.
Water is added to form the noodle dough.
Salt improves texture and elasticity.
Some recipes include alkaline water for firmness.
All ingredients are measured automatically.
Accuracy is critical at this stage.
A small mistake here affects millions of noodles later. Ingredients are mixed into a firm dough. This mixer operates continuously for hours.
If this scale surprised you, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the video.
The dough must reach exact consistency.
Too soft, and the noodles will break.
Too hard, and they won't cook properly.
Automation ensures perfect balance every time. The dough is then flattened into thin sheets. Rollers compress the dough step by step. Thickness is reduced with extreme precision. Now the noodles are ready to be shaped. The dough sheet is sliced into thin strands. Thousands of strands are cut every minute.
These strands form a wavy pattern.
This shape isn't just for looks.
This helps the noodles cook evenly. The noodles are now portioned automatically.
Each portion must weigh exactly the same.
Only perfect portions will move forward.
Next comes the most important step.
The noodles are partially cooked using steam.
This process gelatinizes the starch.
Cooking time is extremely short.
Just seconds too long can ruin texture.
Temperature and moisture are tightly controlled.
This step locks in the noodle structure. Now the noodles must be preserved. This is where instant noodles become instant.
The method used here changes everything.
Let's see how it works.
Many instant noodles are dehydrated using deep frying. The noodles are submerged in oil for less than 2 minutes.
This rapid frying removes moisture almost instantly.
Tiny air pockets form inside each noodle strand.
These air pockets allow noodles to rehydrate quickly later. This is why fried instant noodles cook so fast.
Some factories use hot air instead of oil.
This method removes moisture more slowly.
No oil is absorbed during drying.
The texture remains chewier than fried noodles. Air-dried noodles take slightly longer to cook.
Both methods produce instant noodles, just with different results.
After dehydration, the noodles are extremely hot.
They must cool down before packaging. Cooling prevents condensation inside the package.
Even small amounts of moisture can shorten shelf life.
Cooling also stabilizes the noodle structure. This process is timed and carefully monitored.
Too fast or too slow can affect quality.
Once cooled, the noodles are ready for packaging.
While noodles are processed, seasoning is prepared separately. Each flavor has its own precise formula. Even tiny measurement errors can change the taste. The seasoning is packed into small sachets at high speed. Thousands of seasoning packets are made every minute. Each noodle block is paired with the correct seasoning.
Nitrogen gas is added to preserve freshness.
Packages are sealed, labeled, and coded automatically.
Finished packs are ready for global distribution.
All to deliver instant noodles to millions of people worldwide.
This is how instant noodles are made in modern factories.